Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, AmaZulu 1. I'm joined by Tabiso the MC.
Tabiso the MC in the place to become a 1 and 2. Sibo, Ugren.
Kimnati.
Amonad.
Kipita Scholar.
No. Sas Peter no.
Okay.
Let me tell you something, Sibo. Only what in the Bible, there's what we call a prodigal son.
Yes.
In the book of Luke, chapter number 11.
Sure.
The prodigal son, Salat Zalota high.
Hey.
Avaya got on a rutla sharp. Then hedim dumshubelara.
Hey.
Aboya.
Aboyaha.
Avana at that one.
Hey.
I knew very well.
Hey.
I told those that I was with.
Yeah.
We will never beat Atazwan. Even as much as we can come with everything. He knows everything. You know what he did? Masterminded this thing.
Yeah.
Allow Ngobo to play.
Yeah.
But don't allow him to pass those that are impactful. The combination between Lilepo and Solomon.
Yes.
But Mr. Bolozagai, Barba combine. That is the mastermind. What's why? Because of youth arena, we thought that he was not good enough.
Yes.
But we did not understand football. Look at AmaZulu. AmaZulu is playing good football.
Sure.
Today, Chiefs played a very good football. I don't want to lie to you.
Hey. We
missed chances and everything, but the mastermind and this everything is going to Atazwan.
Yeah.
So what I can tell you, go get this thing. Obana, Steve. X.
Yeah.
X how?
Yeah.
It will want to say,
Ijwal.
X it's Maruta Stadium.
Ijwal.
Steve. It's a mile mutomumpia.
Yeah.
You come Magaso or Ruena or I or yeah. And I fit a mapela how ufita ka dikolonze ke Atazwan to narrate no today.
Yeah.
I put a the exit. So Atazwan today. Ne a pay revenge and now want to now play.
Yeah.
So until something leads to get one ne. AmaZulu liga second round the legacy Chiefs.
Yeah.
Kill Chiefs ga hit mar legacy G. Maramamba awon mo bayang.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Rodmane. Thank you, Rodmane.